Do you want to remove a background in Canva without paying for Canva Pro? Well, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you an easy trick to remove any image background completely free, no paid plan, no complicated tools. First, open Canva and upload the image you want to edit. You can either drag and drop it directly from your computer or click on Uploads and select your file. Once it's uploaded, place it on your canvas and make it larger so you can clearly see the details. Now, look at the left panel and click on Apps. In the search bar, type Background Remover or just Background. You'll see an icon pop up for a background removal tool. Click on it. Select your image and hit the Remove Background button. Wait a few seconds and boom, the background is completely gone. You can now adjust, resize, or place your image on any design you like. And that's it. You just removed a background in Canva for free without using Canva Pro. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more free Canva and design tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments and I'll help you out.